Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. It was a green day for markets, with the NASDAQ 100 reaching a new yearly intraday high, ending more than 1% up. The S&P 500 rose by about 0.7%, followed by the small cap Russell 2000 and the Dow, which also closed higher. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 9 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended the day higher, with tech up by the most, 1.5%. Communication services was also higher. To the downside, the utility sector was the biggest loser, followed by consumer staples. Looking at some stocks on the move, Microsoft shares rose more than 2% after hiring former OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, said Altman will lead Microsoft's innovation in AI. Altman was ousted as CEO at OpenAI on Friday, and immediately following, several executives followed him out the door, including former OpenAI president Greg Brockman. Paramount shares outperformed competitors after a Saudi-backed professional fighters league purchased Paramount's MMA company Bellator. Although terms of the deal were not disclosed, previous reports pegged Bellator's value at around $500 million. Paramount will keep a minority stake in the combined company. Shares for Paramount closed more than 5% higher. And Zoom Video shares closed up nearly 3%. And then after the bell, the company reported adjusted earnings that beat analyst expectations and total revenue that was up more than 3% year over year. Enterprise customers rose about 5%, and the number of customers paying more than $100,000 a year for subscriptions was up more than 13%. Let's take a look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we have existing home sales, then the FOMC minutes will be released. And then on the earnings front, pre-market, we'll hear earnings results from Kohl's, Lowe's, Best Buy, Baidu, and Dick's Sporting Goods. Post-market, NVIDIA, Autodesk, HP, and Nordstrom report earnings. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.